In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Powerschool to either send an email or get a copy of all of your students' email addresses. So we're going to go into PowerTeacher Pro. And from PowerTeacher Pro, we're going to go over to the plus button. And we're going to go down to the bottom where it says email. Once you're here, you can actually stay in this class. It doesn't matter. You can select the classes that you want to email. You can select all your classes if you want to send one blanket email to your entire roster, or you can choose whichever class you want. It doesn't have to be the class that you're on in the PowerTeacher Pro. And your students list of students will come up. So select this group, and it's going to change to that group of students. So I'm going to send a message, and I'll get over here in just a minute to this class, and I'm going to select all of my students, and if I want their parents to be included, I would select all of my contacts. And then I would go over to message, enter in a message, or subject, and then enter in my message. And this is where I can copy and paste my join code from my Google Classroom. So I can put my message here. I can CC myself, so it will show me what the message looked like, and then I can simply hit send. Now, the thing is, this is going to come from North Hills School District. At the bottom of the email, it will say sent on behalf of, and then your school district email. So if you want people to email you to your Gmail, you might want to put that contact information here. Otherwise, they won't be able to reply to the email that you're sending, but they will have a direct link to your email at the bottom of the email that you are sending. The other option is you can copy the emails, and then you can go into Outlook, and you can send the email from your email address, your school email address, or you can even do it from your Gmail, school Gmail if you'd like. One thing I would suggest if you're going to send something to your entire class is to use the BCC line. So that way it's not this long list of students up here to the two, and then everybody doesn't have everybody else's email address, especially if you're going to include parents. The way you can do that is if you come up here to options, you make sure that the BCC is clicked. So it's defaulted off, but if you click BCC, and then I'm going to paste all of my, Command V, paste all of my emails in here of my students. I'll send it to myself. And then I put my subject here, and I type in my message so that it's coming from my school email address. Or if you want it to come from your Gmail, you can do the same thing. So the emails are automatically copied when you hit this copy emails. And then you can do it that way. Either way, this is super simple, easier than going in and trying to find all of your students' email addresses.